Good morning, people, and welcome back to a very cold Sunday morning. It's I think it's currently like 0 degrees or -1 degree or something like that, and it's really cold. But I'm gonna head out and ride this morning. Not sure where we're going. I'm gonna go meet a friend, as is permitted under the current lockdown restrictions. And we're just gonna go for a little jaunt around here where we live, I think. So there's probably going to be a little bit muddy stuff, a little bit of gritty stuff, some road, and bits and bats. So yeah, if that kind of stuff interests you, then stay tuned and we'll see what happens. Back is still filthy from the last ride, but no matter, because it's only going to get muddy again, so I'll have to wash it again later. So yeah, let's get to it. So, quick update, I've left my mate behind. We agreed to meet at 8:15 and he thought I said 8:30, so I rocked up at 8:15 at the meeting place and he wasn't there, so I just left him. Probably shouldn't have gone, but yeah. So, just had a phone call from him, so he's on his way to meet me now. So just going to have to sit and get cold for 5 or 10 minutes till he gets here. And then we're going to head out to Esholt Woods, which is just some woodland on the outskirts of Bradford, between Bradford and Leeds. And it's good fun, very muddy, so should be interesting.
Hey! I'm gonna wait and see if Dave can get through it before I try. Oh! Oh, that is fucking horrendous. Oh, my feet. Oh my god. Can't feel my feet now. Please tell me your feet are as cold as mine. You what? How not?
So, quick update. We're in Esholt Woods now. I've just ridden through what is essentially a flood. And my feet are absolutely soaking. Got no waterproof socks on or out, so just got shoes filled with water. So I'm gonna eat my energy gel, and then I think we're gonna set off back, are we? Yeah, he's nodding. So I'm gonna set off back home. There's not much talking in this one. This is probably just gonna be more riding. So if that's not your thing, then I apologise. But yeah, let's crack on.
I'm not getting my feet wet again.
And now, I don't know if you can see that, it's just started hailing. Get me home. Hello, Future Louis here. I'm outroing this vlog in my house, and I'm clean and not in biking gear. When we rode through that flood bit earlier on in the video, I got really wet. Obviously, riding through a flood, but wet to the point where like everything, shoes, socks, everything was just sopping wet. Couldn't feel my feet, and it sort of ruined the ride a bit. We'd already done like 15 or so miles or whatever, so we just decided to turn around and head back because it started snowing and hailing. You know, the weather were just starting to turn. I think it's forecast snow this afternoon, and yeah, it was just not very enjoyable anymore, so decided to turn around and head for home. When I got home, the battery in the camera died, which obviously, but I was just at a point where my feet were hurting so much, I just wanted to get inside and get them warmed up and get clean and showered and stuff, so don't really have many clips from the way home. I've got no clips of the, you know, me putting my bike away or whatever, or finishing Strava or stuff like that. Yeah, I just rushed in, took the shoes and socks off, put everything in the wash and jumped in the shower and just got myself warmed up because I was absolutely freezing. Like I said before, this vlog has been more just riding clips, not much of me talking. I don't know whether people prefer that or not. If it's your thing, then great. If it's not your thing, you know, I'm not going to hold it against you if you decide to click off, because it probably is a pretty boring video. But yeah, hopefully next time the weather might be a bit better. I'm going to order some waterproof socks now as well. Learned my lesson. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Drop a like down below if you liked the video. If you didn't like it, I don't really care. You know, leave comments with any suggestions you've got, things like that. And take it easy. I'll catch you in the next one.